Will it also get my voice?
Oh yeah.
Here we are, March 26th, coming up to the cabin. We're on Yuba, and Highway 80 was closed for quite a while today, but we finally got through, and here are the mountains of snow. Here it is, almost April, and we are seeing mounds of snow.
It's probably good enough.
No, I'm going to have this go all the way to Hillary.
Okay.
Here we are at Bales, at the corner of Bales. It's only going to get worse as we get closer to Hillary. Kind of hard to see because everything is just white. Yes, Chanel, we know you're tired of being in the car and you're hungry. It's past your dinner time. We'll be there soon, but we don't know what we'll find on Hillary either, or whether our driveway is plowed out. So here's Frosty.
I think she has to take it down. I smell a dog fart.
Here we are on Frosty. And boy, are we gonna make it? I don't know. I don't know where in the world we're gonna park. I think this is the most snow we've seen for a while. And that's what was. Oh my God, we'll never get up there, Dennis.
Why?
That's
You mean
our
drive
cabin
up?
somewhere.
Drive up or walk up?
We'll walk up.